Hello, my beautiful family. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Today, first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this platform for the first time. Thank you and welcome. So, my wonderful family, today I have a special one that I want us to talk about briefly. So, my wonderful family, today I just want to relate to you, tell you a little about what is going on right now in Imo State. Hope Uzodimma and Ebube Agu, they started again. This time around, they went to community, from community to community, burning down their houses, the market, the community. In fact, as I speak to you, there is fire on the mountain. What will they benefit from this evil act? What will they benefit from this evil they displayed? Ebube Agu and Hope Uzodimma are on it again, killing our people and burying them alive. This is so bad. This is an act of evil. How will you burn down communities just like that? Please, I have a little clip of videos. I want you to watch them and I will be right back.
They're shot. Bobele. They just shot right now.
akpọgola m ha asị m vidio re ihe niile a na lekwa ya o flawa niile dị aba ha mere tikapụkwa geeti o ya ngere agbagapụkwara ha geeti o ha jikwa dọm bejisicha ihe niile lekwa ya o esikwa ya ọkụ lekwa anya ele glass niile were dọma beji chicha flawa niile a dị ebe a were etirichicha ka etikwara jipụta nke m na thank God akwụkwọ ọtọ glass niile ehichara ya fuel ụlọ niile mmiri niile nọ na GP tank ya ọ dị ka o mere anya mgbe ọtụrụ dị ha emere ya mgbapụsị lele everywhere ekwe ya the whole glasses ya ha mepichara ya si ebe ahụ ti fuel lekwe ya ma kitchen unit niile ya niile dị ebe lele ya mana elu ere ya dụtọ ihe a hụrụ ka ọ dị the whole glasses you never have myself suppose I'm out of my hand I'm gonna it's good after the azu bibe we boy up the kitchen unit nila any let the ọkụ thank God na ayo ndo wall akara kechana ko paint no le ko ezigbo ọkụ nke ya na abanye ọkụ na ke no n'ime lala God wall akara kechana wall ihe every damn thing na ebe a na ahụ ezigbo ọkụ ala ma chandelier niile POP nke palọ hụrụ otu ọ dị ọ na-ahụ ezigbo ọkụ ama m ka ọkụ ọba na roof mana thank God for this POP ebe a na m nọ na-ahụ ezigbo ọkụ ebe a na-ehụ m nọ ahụ ezigbo ọkụ ọ na-ahụ ezigbo ọkụ ụlọ niile lele ahụhụ nwe nwoke ibe m tara ndị amị bịara taa wee tiri ya.
In fact, this is one of the main markets that was burnt down by Ebube Agu. And the worst part is that Hope Uzodimma is aware of all the latest happening. Now the question is, they are saying these people, they need peace, they are coming out for peace. Is this the way to seek for peace? Now imagine people that feed or take care of themselves through these little means in the market. Just imagine. I was thinking that you are there to protect the people. You are there to protect the children. You are there to protect the citizen. Then what are you doing? How can you just destroy full markets? Community market for that matter. You don't want them to eat. You don't want them to do anything. You don't want them to have any source of livelihood to take care of themselves and family. Some persons, their heads, their life, in fact, depend on this business they are doing. And now, all what you just want to do is to destroy their business, destroy the source of their income, everything about them you destroy. What will it profit you? Even if you said you are looking for the enemy or some guys from criminality and all that in the country, is this the best way? You use it on a full community just because of one person. And Hope Uzodinma is aware of this and he can never stop them. Hope Uzodinma only realizes his mistake when the problem is above him. Honestly, this thing that is going on right now did not go well with a lot of people. Fato Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor condemned this act. Condemned this act, and he moved further to say that Hope Uzodinma need to act fast. That Ebube Ago are here to protect the citizen, just like what they claimed, of which we all know that is all scam. They are not there to protect anyone. They are not there to protect citizens. Rather, they are there to cause more pains to the community. This is one of the reasons why the people say there is no election in Biafra land. And remember what Mazi Simon Ekpa said. He said, before November, you will be seeing things that will convince you yourself. Nobody will tell you. You will be convinced yourself. Now, look at the livelihood of these people, source of their income and everything, burnt down. Tell me, Mr. One Nigeria, will they be still happy, so bold, to clap their hands and knock their chests that they are one Nigeria? These are people that will be singing that there is no election again in Biafra land because they've seen it all. They've tested everything. So there is no election in Biafra land. All these things you are seeing, they are all scams. They never have the interests of the people at heart. So my wonderful family, this is what happened in Osu.